Hello Shopify merchants and Shopify lovers. As you know, Shopify does not natively support popular Bangladeshi mobile banking services such as bKash, Nagad and Rocket. Because of this limitation, many merchants lose potential customers who prefer to pay using mobile banking. To solve this problem, we created ZSBD Pay. In this video, we'll show you how to integrate bKash, Nagad, and Rocket into your Shopify store using our app. Dashboard Overview. After installing the app from the Shopify App Store, you'll be redirected to the app dashboard. The dashboard is designed to be clean and easy to navigate. Here you'll find a quick overview of your account, recent payment transactions, current subscription plan details, plan upgrade options, complete documentation, quick access to settings and configuration. For first-time users, simply click the Configure Now button to begin setup. You can also access our detailed documentation, which explains every feature and setup process step by step. Step 1. Configure checkout settings. Navigate to Settings Checkout. Since ZSBD Pay is designed for Bangladeshi merchants, your Shopify store currency must be set to BDT, Bangladeshi Taka. You can easily open your Shopify payment settings directly from the app using the provided shortcut. Create a custom payment method inside Shopify. Admin, go to Settings Payments, scroll to Manual Payment Methods, click Create Custom Payment Method. Copy the payment instructions provided inside the ZSBD Pay app, paste them into Shopify, customize the instructions if needed. Save the payment method. Your custom payment method is now active. Step 2. Configure bKash. Open the bKash tab in the app. You'll see two available modes. Manual mode, simply enter bKash, number, account, holder name. Save the settings and your manual bKash payment method will be ready. API mode. For automatic payment verification, choose API mode. You will need app, key app, secret username, password. The app supports both sandbox environment, testing, live environment, real payments. For testing purposes, we provide sandbox credentials and test instructions directly inside the app. After entering your credentials, save the settings. Step 3. Configure Nagad and Rocket. The setup process for Nagad and Rocket is exactly the same. Simply select Manual, enter the required credentials, save your settings. Your payment methods will be activated instantly. Step 4. Enable theme components. Now, let's connect the payment buttons to your Shopify storefront. Go to Online Store, Themes, Customize. Inside the theme editor, Cart Settings, Enable, BD Cart, Pay, BD Enable, Pay, save your changes, Product, Page Settings, open your product template. Click Add Block ZSBD Pay App Block. Here you can choose which payment buttons to display, bKash, Nagad, Rocket. You can also show or hide specific payment options based on your needs. Save your changes. Step 5. Add Thank You page block. Next, we need to enable payment verification on the Shopify Thank You page. Go to Settings, Checkout, Customize. Open the Thank You page editor. Add the ZSBD Pay app block and place it near the Order Summary section. Save your changes. Your payment verification interface is now active. Manual payment flow. Let's see how a customer makes a payment. The customer adds products to the cart and completes checkout. After placing the order, they'll see a button such as Pay with bKash. When clicked, a payment instruction page opens. The customer will open the bKash app, select Send Money. Send the exact order amount to the displayed number. Enter their mobile number. Enter the transaction ID. Optionally upload a payment screenshot. Click Confirm Payment. The payment request is now submitted. Payment verification. Inside the ZSBD Pay dashboard, go to All Payments. You'll instantly see the submitted payment. When you click Verify Payment, the app matches the payment with the Shopify order, updates the order status, marks the payment as paid, stores customer payment information, adds tracking tags for easier order management. Inside Shopify orders, you'll be able to see customer phone number, transaction ID, payment method used, payment verification status. This makes tracking mobile banking payments extremely simple. API payment flow automatic. Now let's look at API mode. After entering your API credentials and enabling API mode, customers will experience a much smoother checkout process. When the customer clicks Pay with bKash, they will be redirected directly to the official bKash payment page. For sandbox testing, use the test credentials provided inside the app. Enter test OTP, test PIN, complete the payment flow. Once successful, the payment will automatically update inside Shopify and the order will be processed without manual verification. Whether you prefer manual payment collection or full API automation, ZBD Pay provides a simple, secure, and Shopify friendly solution for accepting local mobile banking payments. Thank you for watching.